In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Wix Editor tool setup in Chrome and add the Wix FAQ app to your site. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure you're already on the Wix site you want to edit. Once you're inside the Wix Editor, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. The editor includes a left-hand utility panel where you'll find the main tools used to customize your website. This panel is where you can access design features, content tools, and the app marketplace. From that left side panel, click on the apps icon. This will open the Wix App Market, which is where Wix provides extra features and tools you can install directly onto your site. The App Market is useful because it lets you expand your website's functionality without needing to build anything from scratch. If you're adding frequently asked questions to your site, this is the right place to find the built-in app designed for that purpose. Once the App Market is open, go to the search bar and type in Wix FAQ. Be sure to enter the name clearly so the correct app appears in the results. When you see Wix FAQ, select it to view the app option. This app is commonly used to organize questions and answers in a clean, user-friendly format, which can be especially helpful for support pages, product pages, or general information sections. After selecting the app, click Add to Site. This installs the Wix FAQ app directly into your current website project. Depending on your editor view and connection speed, it may take a moment to load. Once added, the app will usually appear on your page, so you can begin positioning and customizing it inside the editor. As a helpful tip, after adding the app, it's a good idea to confirm that it appears in the right location on the page and that it has been successfully inserted into your site structure. Even though the setup itself is quick, checking placement right away can save time during the rest of your editing process. That's it. You've now opened the Wix Editor setup in Chrome, accessed the Wix App Market through the app's icon, searched for Wix FAQ, and added it to your site. This is a simple but important step if you want to make your website more informative and easier for visitors to navigate.